It's okay now. You're safe.
The delivery driver places the package where it is hidden and out of sight from anyone who might threaten to steal the package. A delivery driver should never throw a package over a fence. There might be fragile items inside the boxes or envelopes. A delivery driver should never play basketball with a customer's package. You are not Kobe, that's why yo booty working at Amazon and not in the NBA. If you're ever caught kicking a package into a customer's property, Amazon is going to kick your butt like Cristiano Ronaldo straight out of a job and onto the street. If a customer ever catches you throwing a package like this onto their property, I hope and pray that they come out and throw some hands. If I caught you throwing a package like my grandma, I'd throw hands with you myself.